My name is Miss Webster, and I will be your biology teacher this fall for 2020, Advanced Biology. I'm really excited. I cannot wait to get to Rome. I'm hoping that we will be in the classroom in the fall. But if not, I want us to be prepared either way. So I'm giving you this assignment to help prepare you for our very first unit on biochemistry. And you are going to watch a few videos and answer questions on each of those. You are to make a copy of this document so that you have your own, and you will paraphrase and use information from the videos to answer the questions. No copying and pasting from the internet. The same thing holds true for any images that you need to put in. Please hand draw them, or you can draw them in an app and then upload them into this document, your own personal document. This will be due on the first day of class or earlier. I will set you up with a Google Classroom, of course. As soon as I get that information, I'll let you know. And during that first week, we will be taking a quiz on this material. So I really want to make sure you're ready and good to go for this rigorous advanced biology course. Again, I'm really excited to meet all of you. I'll be flying in about mid-August from Hanoi, Vietnam, I believe, if all goes well. And I'm excited to see you all in Rome. Take care.